So the last class we were discussing about storage bins, right? Ale, stack, and levels. We're discussing about ale, stack, and level. And all of you are very clear how to identify the ale, stack, and levels.
Yes, Ram.
Okay. Sure. Now, if you are creating a bins, now in this case we have the bins. Okay, we know each and every racks. If you see here, each and every rack consists of bins here. Bin 1, bin 2, bin 3, and bin 4. So when you divide ale, stack, and levels, normally what is the purpose of dividing the ale, stack, and levels? To identify the bin, right? To identify the bin. If you want to identify this bin, we are dividing ale, stack, and levels. Respective values, we are dividing ale, stack, and levels so that respective bin will be identified. So in this case, if it is ale2, okay, stack 1 and level 3. Is this fine? I am naming this bin as B-1-3, which means what, guys? I am identifying this bin with ALB, stack 1 and level 3. Now, this bin should be available in system, right? First of all. Now I am creating this bin, okay? Slash and slash SEWM slash LS01. The EWM SEWM slash LS01. You need to use slash and always in EWM transactions. Slash and slash SEWM slash LS01. These two create the bins. Create storage bin. In my warehouse, what is the warehouse number, guys? My warehouse number is BMWD. BMWD. In this warehouse, I am going to create this bin. E13. I am creating this bin. So this bin is located in which storage type? I am creating this bin, but this bin is in which storage type? Let's take this hierarchy. We already have hierarchy, right? Storage type hierarchy. In warehouse, we have hierarchy. Save it. This is one way of creating the bins. This is one way of creating the bins. Now we have hierarchy. If you see, all these are hierarchies. You cannot create one by one right now. You cannot create one by one. What we should do? Altogether, we are creating all bins at one time. Altogether, we are creating all bins of hierarchies. Let's take only one storage type. When you are creating bins, okay, do go by storage type. Don't create at a time all the bins of the warehouses. Now let's divide into storage type. Now I am creating bins for hierarchies RK01. Go to the configuration. Now we should define the template. Go to SPRO, implementation guide, warehouse management, master data, storage bins. Can you see here? Define storage bin structure. Define storage bin structure. Now my warehouse is what? BMWD is my warehouse number. There is nothing is there. What I will do, I will copy from one of the existing warehouses. Any warehouse, just copy. I am creating my warehouse BMWD. Okay, and template. So this is the SAP standard template which was given. C means constant. C means constant. N means neutral. So what will happen here? Constant means this, wherever you can see C, the space occupied by C, where nothing will be changed. If you see the structure, when you have like, if you see C means constant, N means you are defining N with else and NN with stack and NN with levels, and remaining all characters will be like constant. Now wherever you can see N, you can divide with ale, stack and level. And you can ask me why I am dividing like here itself. Why can't I keep ale in the starting, ale in the end? Why can't I do? You can do up to your wish. There is no restriction. But if you see here, in a warehouse, in total warehouse, the bin should be unique. In a warehouse, the bin should be unique. The bin number should be unique normally. The bin number should be unique. Now, start value. Now I'm creating for only for storage type RK01. Okay. Sorry. I'm creating the bins for only for RK01 high racks only. Okay. For RK01, I would like to create bins starting with RK01 only. Because by seeing the bin, I should identify that this belongs to RK01. So every bin should start with RK01, like RK01, like this. It should start bin number. I already create like this. So if you see, there are like 5 digits constant. This number will not change. This alphabets will not change, and this will not change for entire storage type, right? This will not change. RK01 is a storage type for all these things. It will not change anything, right? So I am using the C constant RK01 dash. And now let's talk about the ALS part. Now start value. Start value is RK01. And what is the AL starting guys here? My AL starting is 01. This is my first AL. AL1, AL2. Okay, I have one here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this I am dividing the ALs, right? Starting with 01. This is my starting AL. My ending AL in RK01. My ending AL I'm giving it like 10. Example 10. 10 I have 10 ALs, okay? I have 10 ALs. Okay, starting is 01, ending with 10. Now coming to stack. How many stacks I have guys here? Starting with 01. This is the first stack. How many stacks I will have guys now here? I cannot have the right picture here. Now I will take this one. How many stacks I have guys here? Let's take this is the RK01 storage type. Okay. How many stacks I have here?
6 stacks.
6.
6 stacks. Stack.
3 stacks.
We have 3 stacks
3.
only, right? Where do we have 6 stacks? What is stack, guys? Forgot? What is AIL?
Horizontally incrementing stack.
Yeah, horizontal incrementing. If you see, this is AIL. A, B, C, D, E, F. AILs. Stack means what? Stack 1, stack 2, stack 3. That's it. The bottom, whatever you see horizontally, you can see stack 1, 1, 2, 3 like that. So ending with what? 0, 3. Sorry. 0, 3. Levels. My level starting with 1. My level starting with 1. First level. Ending with what, guys? Ending
5.
with what?
5.
5. I have 5 levels. 5 levels. How about increment? Start value, end value, you are comfortable now. What about increment, guys? How do you want to increment from start to end value? I have like AL1. How do you want to increment, guys? Do you want to increment by even numbers or prime number? How exactly you want to increment? From 1, you have 3. There is no 2. From 3, we have only 5. From 5, we have only 7. So it's like not in a sequence way. It's like, jumping. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Is it like that, your else? Or else it is like a sequence? I have my sequence, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have in a sequence. What about stack? Stack is in sequence. 1, 2, 3 are not like that. Yes, it's in sequence. Yes. What about levels? Is in sequence? Yes, it's in sequence. So I don't have jumping order, okay? I have like in a sequence way. So my increment will be 1, 1, 1. Should be from 1 to 10 should be go away to only one increment. Like every time should be one increment only. There should not be any kind of jumping orders. Stack also there should be only one increment. Levels also there should be only one increment. Am I clear?
I didn't understand one thing. Rack 1 and rack 1.
Already there is BMWD. Okay.
Ram, one quick question.
Yes.
Are they in the industry, they practicing same way or any other, they're giving only the numeric number or anything,
You
alphabetic or
cannot you cannot think like that actually because few they don't use this warehouse at all. Few they will use ABCD instead of 0, 1 to 10. A few here stack they will use ABCD instead of 1, 0, 1 to 10. Few they will use ABCD in levels. You cannot understand like what they need to use. Okay.
Okay. And also the stack, I have a question. See, in your the picture, the first two levels, it's showing only three stacks. But
Mm-hmm.
3 and 4, 5, they are showing 6
Where?
in, in the warehouse. See,
Here?
the 6 pallets is there.
Where do we have 6?
And third, level 3.
No, you can just see like this, okay? This is
Okay.
only one bin here, okay? This is one bin. Can you see a division here?
Yeah,
Big
yeah, okay.
divisions here. 1, 2, 3, right?
But
Big.
is there two pallets, right? So how?
Yeah, but see, one bin they are showing two pallets. Doesn't mean that this is two bins, right? It is only
Okay.
one bin, right?
Okay.
It's only one bin. Can you see bin division? Can you see? Here, can you see division
Yeah.
here?
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I'm dividing like this. So in the real time, if you have division here itself, you
Hmm.
divide like 6 only here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you have division like this.
Yeah. So depend on the client, right? Yeah.
Depends on the warehouse layout.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm keeping like B and WD here because this RK01 storage type I am already using it. Okay. This RK01 storage way I'm already using it for other warehouses. The naming conventions I'm using for other warehouses. I'm using it like B and WD. Else I'll create like HIGH, HIGH I'll create HIGH, HIGH, high. Give me a second. Okay, I created this one. Okay, when you create, when you do copy as, when it is not taking, just go and create new entries. Okay, you should take copy as also, but somewhere it is not identifying. Okay, this is B and ability I created. Okay, this B and ability I created. When structure I created. Okay, this called as just structure. Now, can you please tell me this start value and end value, how many bins it will create now? I gave only start and end value, but in this case, system need to create the bins. How many bins it will create now? If you see here, how many bins it will create now? There are 10 aisles.
150.
Yes, it will get 150. Now, let's see how to create the bins. Go to master data, the easy access. Okay, warehouse management, master data, storage bins. Can you see here? Generate storage bins. You can see here, generate storage bins, ls10, SAWM ls10. So by default, it will take one entry because for B and ability, there is only one entry in the configuration. So it will take directly. If there are multiple entries, it will show list of entries and you need to select the entry. Now there is only one entry. System has taken you the entry which you created in RK01 forest type. Now you need to just click on create bins. You need to click on just create bins. Can you see how many it is creating? 150. AL1 stack 1 level 1. AL1 stack 1 level 2. Means it is creating in a sequence. First it is creating this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Now again this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Like that it is creating in a sequence way. It is creating in a sequence. Click on create, guys. Do you want to wish to create the bins? Yes, I would like to create the bins. $150 storage bins created. Now I am opening the monitor, guys. /n/SAWM/mon. So this is a transaction normally to monitor entire warehouse in one screen. In the real time, you'll open this transaction at least daily 10 times or 20 times. You'll work on this transaction a lot. Entire warehouse you can view what is happening in the warehouse in only one transaction. In WM there is no transaction of this one. Okay, in EWM we have this transaction. /n/SAWM/mon. Discuss monitor. Here in the default values, input your warehouse and input monitor is SAP. Now here I want to like to see the bins. Can you see here? Stock and bin. If you want to see outbound details and if you want to see inbound details, means outbound deliveries, inbound deliveries, physical inventory, warehouse tasks, warehouse orders, stock and bins, resource management, product master, labor management, MFS, queues, so alerts, all these things you can see in one screen. Now I would like to see about the stock and bin. I would like to see about the bins, right? In my storage type RK01, how many bins I have? I would like to see. Can you see here? I have 150 bins. Only 150 bins. How much stock I have in each bin? This bin, how much stock I have? Zero stock. Zero stock. Each and every bin will show zero stock because there is no stock. Once it has in stock, it will show all the things. How many HUs are there in one bin? How many HUs in one bin? Now in this case, if you see, in one bin there are two handling units. Example, it will show two HUs. It will show the weight of two HUs. It will show volume of two HUs. And it will show the capacity. How much capacity still it is remaining to store the goods. So each and everything it will show. Which material, all these things. once you have the stock. Now the bins creation is fine. We created the bins for only for RK01 storage type. We created bins for only for this one now. If you want to create bins for this one, yes, you can create the bins. Yes, you can create the bins. Here, this one. You can create the bins here. You can create the bins. Same process. Nothing change. Same process. Clear? Any questions up to here? There is something called storage bin upload. There is something called storage bin upload. If you don't want to create any kind of storage bins with structure, with configuration, okay? If you don't want to create any bins with structure, just you want to create as per the physical layout of the warehouse, they don't want to follow SAP structure. They would like to follow their own naming conventions. They would like to follow their own naming conventions. Yeah, sorry. In this case, they're using this one, they would like to follow the SAP structure. But if they want to create any kind of bin namings for this storage type, the business didn't agree to use the SAP structure. They would like to use their own naming conventions, own namings. Okay. Now, for that purpose, we have something called load storage bins. Load storage bins. Can you see? This transaction normally, if you need to come this transaction, you need to export one Excel sheet here. You need to export one Excel sheet. Same way how I'm doing here. You need to save it in one your tab. RK01, some RK02. This Excel sheet should be shared with the business analyst. Now what they will do, they will input everything, which warehouse, which storage bin, means bin naming also they will define it here. Which storage type, which storage section. We will discuss about bin type, bin access type, everything. All these things they'll maintain in one Excel sheet here. They'll maintain in one Excel sheet and they'll share it with you. Now what you will do, you will have this Excel sheet with all the data they maintain by the business user. Now simply you need to upload. Simply you need to upload it. Upload it. Automatically system will create the bins. Automatically system will create the bins. Am I clear, guys?
Ram?
Yes.
So, I have a question here. So, if there is any transactions in between, like there will be differences when they do job in the warehouse. If they have any differences, so will they upload or send these Excels to the consultant every time, or they can do it by themselves?
No, we need to. No, they cannot upload anything. Okay. Few companies they will have the role of uploading by them itself. Normally, business analysts will not upload it. You should come to consultant level, okay, to upload. Or else before consultant level, there is called L2 level. Generally, it will be there. If not, you need to perform this action.
Okay.
But normally, depends on the company, I can say.
Okay, I'm just trying to understand the dependency of this consultant in the warehouse.
No, you need to validate. One thing is like you need to validate if any issues while uploading or any kind of data issues and all, you need to validate from your end.
Okay.
Okay, but uploading is something different part. Okay, don't worry about the uploading part. But validation should be done from your end actually. Clear?
Yeah, Ram. Yeah.
In EWM, what are the master data we are uploading usually?
We will discuss that part, okay? Because
Okay.
there are a lot of master data okay, here,
Okay.
like backspec, okay, port master, beans.
Usually
One
in
by one we'll
WM,
discuss.
they have only storage bin, right?
Sorry?
Usually in the WM,
I don't know
ECC.
about WM to be frank. I didn't work on WM.
Okay.
So I don't know to be frank. Okay. But EWM we have too many master datas. I'll give you a list of master datas and all. We can work on it.
Okay.
So Ram, this is a part of cutover activity, right?
Yes. Beans creation is part of cutover activity. Okay. I'll try to give a list of all cutover activities to you. File itself not opening.
Our file type is selected as CSV.
Yeah, let me change file type. Can you see? Just whatever the Excel that you will receive, the Excel will upload here, converting it to CSV file, and just click on create. It will create the bins. One storage bin created. It's up to your naming convention, up to how they would like to have the naming conventions. Okay. As a consultant, you need to validate the data, whatever they have given. Okay. And if they're facing any issues, try to help them in uploading.
Bin we can see in the mon screen, right?
Yes. Yes. We'll open the monitor screen again. Monitor you can see, and you can go to ls03 also. You can see ls01 is to create and ls03 is to display. Now I will go to ls03, SAP ls03 transaction. In VNWT, what are the bin you created here? Put the bin here, enter. Can you see? It is displaying. You can see in monitor also, SAP-EWM. Go to stock and bin, go to storage bin, in RK01, execute. You can see the bins here. Let me directly give the bin number here. Can I see? BNW 01010. The bin was available in RK01 storage type. You can click on this bin. It will open you the LS03 screen. LS03. Clear on this bin spot, bins creation, everything. Any questions up to here? If no questions, we'll start a new concept.
Bin weight and bin capacity we need to maintain during new bin creation, or we can maintain later on also.
Later on also you can maintain. Let me show you that also. So it's a time saving thing. So if you have something like bin weight, while defining the bins, you have some bin weight, how to modify that part. Once after creating the bins, go to the same path, warehouse management, master data, go to storage bins, and you can see here, mass change to storage bins normally. Mass change to storage bins. Once you create the bins, okay, here you have mass change. In BNWD, the storage type is RK01. Go to RK01. It will show you all the bins here. Now select the bins. Which bin is having how much weight? Bin type. Normally bin type carries the weight of the bin. Okay. Click on this bins. Suppose all these bins having weight, all these bins, okay, having weight of around 10 kgs only. So click on change storage bins. Now go to storage bin type. So in the configuration, we should define the bin types. I'll show you that part also. We didn't discuss it, right? Defining bin types and bin access types. Have we discussed?
No.
No, we didn't discuss. We didn't discuss.
No.
But I think we discussed about bin types and bin access types, right? Forklift, manual labor, crane. We haven't discussed.
You just generalized, not
Yes.
the configuration part.
Not the configuration, we just discussed the concept. Now we should define the storage bin types and bin access types, and we need to assign to the respective bins here. No entries are there, we didn't create it. We have to create bin types for this one. Weight. In RK01, if you have like the storage type having capacity of 10 kg, 20 kg, and 30 kg, we should define 3 bin types now. And we need to assign to the respective bin master. And in RK01, if you have like only forklift is accessible, we need to define the bin access type as forklift, and we should assign to the all the bins in the respect to RK01. We'll discuss this part, don't worry. Scenario basis. But when you want to change it, just click on this one and click on the maintain the bin access, bin change, bin type and all. Click on OK. It automatically update the port master. Bin master, sorry. Is it clear? This one you can maintain while creation also. It and all. While creation also you can maintain, or else once you create, then after that you can change also. Both are possible. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Now we'll start a concept of activity area. We start a concept of activity area. What is activity area, guys? Activity area is nothing but logically dividing the warehouse with respect to activities. Logically dividing the warehouse with respect to activities that will be carried out. This plays a major role, guys. Activity area plays a major role in the warehouse. How? Activity area plays a major role in the warehouse. I'm taking one storage type like RK01. This storage type. In this storage type, what activities will take place, guys? In this storage type, what activities will take place?
Picking put away.
Let me open the configuration parallelly so that it will be clear for you. Go to SPRO, implementation guide, warehouse management, master data. Go to activity areas. Activities. What activities do we have first of all? Can you see the activities? Can you see the activities? What activities we have here? What activities do we have for my warehouse? I have physical inventory, I have internal movement, I have stock removal, I have put away, I have replenishment, I have posting change. In my warehouse, I have all these activities. I have cross and stock put away, internal movement, physical inventory, stock removal, put away, replenishment, and posting change. All these are activities that I am carrying out in the warehouse level. In the warehouse level, I am doing all these activities in a daily basis. The warehouse workers are doing these activities. They are doing put away. Once they receive the goods, they are doing the put away into the final storage types. Once they receive the request from the customer, they are removing the stock and they are moving to customer. And they are checking the stock parallelly. Every monthly or every half yearly or every annually. They're checking the physical stocks with respect to system stocks, matching or not. Internal movement, in moving the goods internally from one storage type to other storage type because of space constraints and all. Posting change, you have something called quality inspection, and once you have the quality inspection is completed, you need to change the inspection. You need to change the palette from inspection inspection to inspection finished, something like that. So you need to have a posting change here, a changing from the quality to unrestricted. Stock change here, something like that. Replenishment, whenever you have something called production and all, whenever you have some production area, near to the production area, if you want to maintain some kind of storage type where you will replenish the goods for the faster moving activities, then you have something called replenishment. Am I clear? In the warehouse, all the activities will take place normally. in the warehouse, all these activities will take place.
What is replacement?
Replenishment, as I told you, you have, let's go to supermarket. Okay, you went to more. In the next to the billing counter, you see some kind of sales in just the billing counter. You will see some kind of chocolate boxes. You will see some kind of fast moving goods. You will see less cost with fast moving goods. Why they will maintain there? The more or in just normal shops also. Next to the billing counter, they will maintain a lot of things with low cost items which are fast moving goods. Why they will maintain there?
So that the customer will pick it.
The customer will pick it, easy accessible. Okay, and the sales will be more.
Yep.
So in the real-time warehouse, I'm taking this one again. Just think this is production. Okay, just think here production is happening. Every time you are moving stock from here. Production means what? You need stock, right? If they want to produce some goods, they need stock from here or here. They need stock. Every time the operator will go from here when the requirement is there. The operator will go here and they will take the stock and they'll come here and they'll use the stock. Is it a time consuming, right? Every time. What I can do? I have space available here. What I can do? I can maintain some limited stock here, right? The fast moving. What and all goods I will use more. For production, I have data from last 10 years. I know which goods I will use more, right? So those type of goods I'll maintain it near to the production area. Limited stock only, like some 100 quantity. I'll maintain each product. I'll maintain 100 quantity only. I'll maintain it here. And whenever the 100 quantity is finishing, system automatically finds out that the 100 quantity is getting finishing. It need to request some quantity from here to here. Automatically it will replenish the stock from here to here. Replenishment. They will replenish the stock from here to here. Like in normal shops, the chocolate box is getting finished. What he will do, he'll bring one more chocolate box and he'll keep it there before it is getting finished, because by that he'll get a profits. Chocolates, he'll keep it next to the billing counter. Everyone who is getting billed for the goods, they'll take chocolates also, and his business will get improved. Right? The same way in the real-time warehouses also, normally we'll maintain some goods near to the warehouse, near to the production, so that the production speed will be increased. Instead of bringing from here, we can bring it from here. Whenever this is getting finished, automatically system will replenish the stock from here to here. Replenishment means it will create one task that the stock is getting completed. Can you please replace the stock, or can you please fill the stock? Automatically one task will go, and the task will be, the resource will be taking the pallet or the boxes, and they will be replenishing the stock in this area. Is it clear? Replenishment means.
I got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Ram, and also this consultant, EWM consultant, is also responsible for the layout of the warehouse in case of some things need to be changed from here and there to increase the efficiency. Is he also?
Normally, see, you can propose, but it's up to the, normally they don't accept to change the physical layout of the warehouses. As per the physical layout of the warehouses, you should define the solution normally. This is a
Okay.
consultant. Okay. You cannot change the physical layout behavior. Yes, we can change. I'm not changing, like, I'm not telling you, like, you cannot propose. Okay. But you can propose them. Okay. If it is like this, your efficiency will increase.
Okay, it's not responsibility. Okay.
No, you can propose, that's it, but you cannot take any kind of leverage to change that everything.
Okay.
Okay, just to define solution as per the physical layout. Okay,
Yeah.
here and there somewhat you can, some few small things you can propose, and if they like your proposal, and they'll change it, but not entire physical layout. It will be complex if they want to change the physical layout, how they are working. Small things I can say.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the concept again. Now what is
This
activity area?
this activity is predefined, or we can enter if you want any
No,
other extra, we
it's
can enter
defined.
it.
You cannot have your own activities. You should follow only activities given by SAP. Okay.
Ram, what is that C?
What is C?
After description, is there C? C column.
Here you can see just the same thing. Okay. Here you can see all the activities here. Put away, stock removal, internal warehouse movement, physical inventory, post change, and process stock put away. Whatever I told you here, same thing will be there here.
These are the standard one, or we have to create?
Yeah, everything is standard only. You cannot change. You cannot have your own.
Okay.
Okay.
NOLP, internal movement without workload, is there, but here it is not there.
No, but you see here, they're using 3 here.
Uh,
They define the name, just it, but they're using 3, which is called internal warehouse movement. Okay. Whatever see, they can define the own naming conventions here, but they cannot change the activities here. They cannot change the activities here. If you see here, let me get it clear for you. First one, let's take about this one. Okay. Internal movement. Internal movement, what is there here? Internal warehouse movement. Physical inventory, we have 4 physical inventory. Internal movement without wizard, we're using 3 internal movement. Stock removal, put away. Replenishment, what is replenishment, guys? Here, what I told you here, replenishment means internally moving, right? Here, I'm moving from here to here, right? But I can keep here internal warehouse movement. Posting change, what is posting change? Posting change. I have to use within this only.
Description, anything we can give.
Sorry, this one. Yes, this one is up to you. Okay,
Yeah.
create, but when you select, when you create new entry here, you tell that what is the entry is for. The entry you created for what?
Okay.
The entry you created for what? That you should maintain here.
That C column is important.
Yeah. Now let's start the activity area. Now what is the activity area? Physically dividing the logically, not physically, sorry, logically dividing the warehouse into different kind of activities. We have a lot of activities in the store, in the warehouse. We have a lot of activities that takes place in the warehouse. Physically, there are a lot of activities. But how do you define logically here? Now in this RK01, what activities will take place, guys, here? In RK01, what activities will take place? Let's take this is RK01, okay? This is RK01. What activities will take place in RK01?
Put away, stock
Put away.
removal,
Put away, stock removal,
position changing,
posting change, physical inventory.
Internal movements.
Yes, we have all activities will take place here normally. What I will do, I'll divide this into sections here now. These 3 means I can say like 6 aisles. 6 aisles are there here, and 6 aisles are there here. Probably 12 aisles are there here, right? There are 12 aisles are there here. In this case, 6 aisles I'm dividing into section 1. I'm dividing into section 1. Section 1. And next 6 aisles I'm dividing into section 2. This is section 1 and section 2. Now, section 1 dedicatedly I am using it for section 1 dedicatedly I am using it for one of the activity, like I can give it for replenishment. Section 1 dedicatedly I am using it for replenishment. Section 2, dedicatedly I'm using it for put away. Can I do it like this?
Yes.
Yes or no, other people?
Yes. Yes.
How to control this one? Means when I'm receiving the stock from vendor, system will propose RK01. System will propose RK01 storage type first. Now system should go to which section now? When you receive stock from vendor,
Section 2.
system will propose
Section 2.
section 2. When the stock comes into picture here from the vendor, system need to propose section 2, not section 1. In RK01, system need to propose section 2, not section 1. Why? Section
Because
1 is
section 1 is
dedicatedly for the replenishment activity. What is replenishment wise?
internal
Refilling of
movement.
stock. I can say refilling of stock. When the stock is getting completed, stock will get refilled here. From section 2, we'll refill the stock to section 1 always. But we will not do the put away directly here. Am I clear? I want to divide like this again. Let me go into deep. I have this storage type RK01. In this case, I have like how many levels I have? I have 6 levels I have 6 levels. Now level 3, 4 and 5. Sorry, I have 5 levels.
5 levels.
I have 5 levels. In this case, first 3, 4, 5 levels, I am using it for only for put away. 3, 4, 5, I am using it for only for put away. And level 1 and 2, I am using it for replenishment. I would like to carry out replenishment on level 1 and 2. And whenever I receive the stock from vendor, the stock should be placed in level 3, 4, 5. Why this requirement, guys?
So that whoever is picking, they can pick easily.
Yes. Whoever is picking, okay, they can pick easily. Normally, some resources will be there with a forklift. What is their work? Their work is to remove the stock from top to bottom. That's it. They will do only this activity. When your stock is getting computed in the down, they will refill the stock from top to bottom. That's it. And whoever is working on the customer here, whoever is working on the staging part, whoever is delivering the goods from high racks to the customer outbound staging area, their work is what? Just come fastly, pick the goods from here and go to the staging area. Now, how much time we are saving now? We are saving too much time, right? If the forklift guy comes from here, suppose if there is no refilling of stock here, example, the forklift guy will come here and he'll need to check first of all where the bin, which level it is there, and you need to pick up the level. Means every forklift they will have some kind of cranes. They need to uplift the bar and they need to find the exact pallet and they need to remove the pallet from the top, which is a bit risky option, and they'll bring it down and they will move to the staging area. Instead of that, I have one dedicated worker is there who will do the replenishment from top to bottom. Always he will do top to bottom based on the system request. So that it will be easy task for him to pick the pallet and go to the staging area. So I can do like this. First two is for replenishment activity and top levels is like put away activity. How it is
Yes.
possible? Through activity areas. Through activity area that is possible. Now not only this one. Here also same thing. 3, 4, 5 is used for only for put away. 3, 4, 5 put away. 3, 4, 5 put away. Every AL is 3, 4, 5 is for put away, and 1 and 2 is for the replenishment. I can divide like this also. I can divide through section wise also. Means activity area will be assigned at the bin level. Activity area is assigned at bin level. Here. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, Ram.
Yes, Ram.
Now we have activities. We have activities already defined here. Now define activity area. Define activity area. I'm defining activity area for RK01 now. I'm defining activity area for RK01 storage type. Define activity area. In BMWD, okay, I have RK01 already because when you copy from the warehouse, it will copy everything, right? So it has copied this also. In BMWD, I have activity area RK01. Activity area RK01. Now one question to you guys. I have storage types of RK01, RK02. I have like multiple storage types are there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 storage types in this one. Okay. How many activity areas I can have now?
We can have any number of activity.
Sorry?
So we can have any number like
N number of activity areas. I can have N number of activity areas. I have only 6 storage types, but I can have N number of activity areas because I'm dividing the bins. Depends, right? Now RK01 already I have it. RK01 I already have it. Now assign storage bins to activity areas. Assign storage bins to activity areas. In BMWD, I have RK01 should be assigned to which storage type, guys? RK01 should be assigned to which storage type?
IRAC.
IRAX. RK01 only. Okay. RK0 means activity area and the storage types normally we will maintain with the same naming conventions. Okay, can you see? Activity area RK01, storage type is RK01. Okay. This activity areas normally will not see physically, guys. This logically we are defining logical. Everywhere it's logical. In EWM, activity area means logically. You should think logically. That's it. You define with same naming conventions normally, like storage type. Real time also. Activity area will have the same naming conventions of storage type and will assign to the respective storage type. And here, in case you have like 2 activity areas for RK01. Like here, you have like 2 activity areas for RK01. Activity area RK01. Let me see. Activity area RK01 dedicated for section 1. I'll have different naming conventions now. Activity area, we'll keep it like RK01 I have 02. I don't want to have 02. Let me keep it like RK Z1. Okay. RKZ1. Z is for the custom field. Custom normally I am configuring. 1 is for the sequence one. Okay. RK01 is for section 1. RKZ1 G2 I'll create. Okay. RKZ2. RKZ2. RKG2 is for section 2. Okay. Now in this case, I define RK01, activity area RK01, assigned to my storage type RK01. Okay. RK01 assigned to RK01. Okay. But can you see here? AL start, AL end. AL start, AL end. From where to where this activity area is responsible. Okay. From where to where this activity area is responsible. Which AL to which AL?
AL1 to AL12.
Tail 1 to 1 is 6,
You have 10 ALs, right? If I'm not wrong.
not 12.
12, huh?
Yeah. So
6,
section
right?
1,
Yeah.
1 to 6,
But we
section 2.
configured how many? We configured only 10, right?
Yeah, storage bin.
10.
Yeah,
We
10.
configured only 10. Okay, we cannot have 12. So in this case, AL1 to AL10. What about stacks?
3 stacks.
3 stacks.
3 stacks. What about levels now?
5.
1 to 5.
RK01. We have RK01, section 1. What I can do? I should have half now in this case. Half I need to use for RK01, right? I cannot use full. So in this case, if I have 10, I will use 5 up to AL5. I know I should not use 5, but we define 10, right? In that half I'm using it for section 1. Half I'm using it for section 2. Clear?
Ram, there are total 12 ALs over there.
Yeah, I know.
But in the system, he created only
System
10.
I created, okay.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, thank you.
System I created like that, okay.
Okay.
Okay, AL101, A to AL5, stack 1 to 3, and level is
1 to 5.
5. Okay, this is like this. Enter. Now I'll copy this one, same. BNWD RK Z1. One more thing I should do. I should define the activity area first of all.
Z2, sorry.
Sorry. Yeah. For save this option. Save this entry. Okay. Go back. Go again. Define activity area. What I am defining now? RKZ2. Warehouse number is BMWD. Activity area is RKZ2. Description is for activity area for storage type RK01. Okay, now go back. Go to assign storage bins to activity areas. Go to BNWD RK01. I already have it. Can you see? Sorry. Yeah, here I have it. Copy as. Now BNWD activity area is what? RKZ2. I have RKZ2. So this belongs to RK01. AL start is 06. AL end is what?
10.
Stack is 01. End is 03. Level is 01. End is 05. Clear? Now have we divided now? This is into one activity area. This is into one activity area. Have we divided now?
Yes.
Yes, we divided now. This belongs to RK01. RKZ2.
First line.
Sorry. The entry was sorry. RK01, RKZ2. Okay. Now save this one, guys. Now very important thing. Define sort sequence for activity area. Define sort sequence for activity area. Go to BMWD. Nothing is there. What I will do? I create as per my requirement. New entries. My warehouse is BMWD. My activity area is RK01. My first activity area is RK01. And I'm defining for first of all this one, okay. I'm first of all defining for this one actually, okay. Which activity this belongs to?
Replenishment.
Replenishment.
So what I will do, I will activate only replenishment, REPL. Sequence I'll keep it as 1. Storage type is what now? This one?
01.
RK01.
RK01.
Okay. We'll discuss about this one later. Okay. Save it. Now BNWD RK01 activity area is having only replenishment now. RK01 activity area is having only replenishment that belongs to storage type RK01. Now copy this one. Now activity area RKZ2. RKZ2 is having which activity, guys?
Put away.
Put away.
Put away.
Put away. Assign to keep the sequence 1 only. Storage type is RK01. Now is it clear now? If you see here, BNWD RK01 activity area belongs to RK01 storage type having only replenishment activity, and BNWD RKZ2 assigned to only activity put away in RK01 storage type. How do you know which bins belongs to RK01 and which bins belongs to RKZ2? How do you know which
We are
bin?
said in the previous transaction.
Yes. In the previous transaction, you can see that RK01 activity area with respect to AL stack levels we divided. RKZ2 also we maintain AL stack and levels. Now we know which bins comes under RK01 activity area, which bins comes under RKZ2 activity area. RK01 activity area, RK01 all bins, that bins all bins comes under RK01 activity area will have only replenishment. The bins comes under RKZ2 activity area will have only put away activity. Clear? Are you clear, guys? Any confusion here?
Clear, Ram.
Yes, Ram.
No, Ram.
Now you can see, now RK01, let's take RKZ2, put away. RKZ2, we are doing only put away. Means in RKZ2, we are doing only put away in this one. We are doing put away only in this AL stack and levels. We are doing put away in this 6. Okay, whatever you can see here. Now, how you would like to do sequence? AL sequence. AL sequence. You would like to go with respect to AL stack level, or else how you would like to go? Can you see here? You would like to go with respect to level stack bin, or else you would like to go with respect to stack level and bin subdivision. You will not go to the subdivision. Okay, leave subdivision levels. You will see some. Yeah, level, stack, and bins. Don't go to the bin subdivision level in the starting. Then go to the AL stack levels. I can go with respect to levels, stack, and bin subdivision. Or else, don't keep it this one. We have like AL ascending, descending is there. Can you see here? You would like to go from bottom to top or else top to bottom. When you do the put away, first you would like to put away in the top or else you would like to put away in the bottom. Ascending and descending part. Same thing. Stack. You would like to start from ascending or descending. You would like to start from end of the AL or starting of the AL. Bin subdivision we will not discuss. Don't worry. We'll discuss that part later. If you don't define anything, it will go with respect to AL stack and levels only. By default, that is a SAP default, okay? First it will go for ALs, next it will go for stack in sequence, levels in sequence. If you don't define anything. And if you want to define your own logic here, we have something called baddie here. You can define your own sort sequence by using the baddie. You know what is baddie, right?
Baddie.
Yes. The business add-on. Okay, you need to have your own logic that should be defined in the baddie, and that baddie will activate when the put away is happening in the respect to storage type. Okay, normally this is not so mandatory, but in the interview if they ask you how you would like to define the ascending, descending, how the sort sequence will be arranged, you can tell like in the configuration, the sort sequence, we have the configuration of sort sequence. It will define like either we should go with AL stack and levels, or else how ascending or descending. All these things will be defined in the configuration.
Can you give a small briefing about baddie?
I already discussed in the last class what is baddie. You didn't attend the last class?
I don't know what. I
Sorry?
didn't remember it. I didn't remember, sorry.
We discussed about port master, if I'm not wrong. We discussed about shift, right? Transferring
Yeah,
methods
yes.
from ECC to EWM. If you have like custom fields,
Yeah.
how the custom fields will be transferred to ECC to EWM.
Yes, I got it.
And
Got
if
it.
you have like different systems, multiple ECC systems and multiple EWM systems using the same data. How system identifies that this data is coming from this system, this data is coming from this system. Okay, I mentioned you right.
Yeah, got it.
Business system.
Yeah.
That's the help of baddie. That is everything. Now, there's one cutover activity called, for this activity only, there's one cutover activity is there, okay? That is called bin sorting. This is called as bin sorting. /n/scwm/sbst. This calls cutover activity, guys. Once you define the activity areas and once you maintain the storage types for the activity areas, then you should do the bin sorting. SBST. In BNW rows, execute. Let me keep it as activity area RK01. Something is. Give me a second. One storage type.
We are not saying RK01 activity.
Yeah. There is no RK01 first of all here. Just I configured, but now it is missing. Give me a second. Or identifying the bins when I give the L stack and levels. Okay. there is some issue with one of the thing. Okay. What I will do. Okay, no problem. I'll check on this part. Okay. So, but normally, basically, what I'm doing here, I'm assigning the respective bins to the activity area in this case. So, if you see here, I would like to assign aisle, stack, and levels. Okay. If you see the bins here, for the respective bin, I'm assigning the activity area, RKZ2 here. If you see RKZ2, same like that. I would like to assign only from aisle1 to aisle5. Advertising L1 to L5 only for RK01, RK01, 0G2, sorry. And from the 6th AL to 10th AL, I will have to assign different activity area, which can be RK01. Means first 6 sales, I will have to assign to one activity area. The next 6 sales, I will have to assign to different activity area. Clear? I'll see what is the error now, but don't worry, okay. But tomorrow's class, I'll see what is the error and I'll tell you.
Ram, within the storage type, how to divide the activity area if the client is not maintaining the SAP standard bin logic like high, stack, and level? Is it possible?
I didn't get you. How do you divide the?
Within the storage type, now you divided the storage type is RK01. So now two different activity area we have, right? Here.
Okay.
So you divided in SAP based on the high, stack, and the level. If the client is using their own bin logic, they're not using the high, stack, and level. Like
Yes.
they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like they go on till 1,000 or 5,000.
That is possible. Okay.
Okay.
No need to go as per that. If you see here, there is something called can you see? Load storage bin sorting.
Okay.
So here we are sorting the upload tool. We have upload tool here. Just how you upload the bins. Just export into Excel sheet. Take the Excel sheet.
Okay.
Now can you see? In warehouse number B and WD, I would like to assign storage bin. Okay, let me take some of the storage bins. I'll take these bins. I'll take some 10 bins. This belongs to only REPL activity, okay? Activity area I'm giving as RK01. In storage type, RK01. Randomly I have taken the bins now, okay? I'm not taken any sequence if you see. Now, same thing. I'm taking few more bins. I have taken these bins. This belongs to PTWI. This belongs to same thing. Activity area is RK Z2. So I can select the bin. This belongs to which activity area in the respective storage type. I can do manually with the Excel sheet. I'll convert to CSV file. Save it in the export to. Same thing again, you should come to SAP. Just upload that, okay. Here. Can you see? Now this bin belongs to activity area RK01 and this bin belongs to activity area RKZ2. Random bins is and all. This belongs to only one storage type, RK01 only, for two different activity areas. Clear?
Clear. Yeah, I got it. Okay, just save it, Ram. We'll see the result.
Normally, it will, let me just make the issues. Okay.
That uploaded file will store in L11 log.
Sorry?
That Excel file will store in L11 log.
The Excel file will be stored in, I didn't get the last word.
Means L11 log means will store in L11 log. Means Excel file will store na L11 log. Where this file will stored in SAP?
SAP it will not store, okay. Just we will store it in the system, right? In the laptop.
Okay.
Just you will take the export from the sheet. Just you will take some export, means some layout you will take from the help of this transaction, and it will form an Excel sheet like this in SAP, okay. In your laptop it will form like Excel. Just you need to give it to the business user to fill the data, and he will fill the data and he will give it back to you. So once he give it back to you, then you need to upload it here, okay. Once you upload, automatically it will display all the entries and just you need to click on create.
So basically, he's asking once you upload it in the SAP system, what is where does it exactly stores in SAP? In which area?
You can go to the bin sorting, okay. Open the bins now, okay. Take the bin. You open the bin //SEWM/LS03. Right. The bins normally you'll display the bins with this transaction. Open the bin. This bin, if you see activity areas here. This bin, what activities it can do now?
Okay.
what activities we can perform in this bin. So activity areas will tell now. We can do only replenishment activity.
Replenishment. Okay.
Same way, if you have like put away activity for this bin, it will show you only put away. Can you see?
Oh,
Only
yeah,
put
yeah,
away
yeah,
activity. Clear?
yeah. Clear.
With respect to bin, we are uploading the activity areas with respect to the bin, right? Bin level.
And here, SAP will only get the information if we save it in certain format, or we can save it in any format, like Excel sheet, which is designed.
No,
Is
you
it
should
any
not disturb
particular?
the Excel sheet. Okay, you should not disturb the
Okay,
Excel sheet because the
there is a
layout
particular
is
format.
yeah, the layout is defined by SAP in the transaction. If you see,
Yeah,
like in
yeah.
export, it will have all the fields now normally. You know, if you don't have the field, just don't fill the field. Okay, but don't disturb the entries because it will try to fit in the respect to entry only and upload it
Okay.
sequence way.
So we can only change the values, not the format,
Don't change the formats and all.
so that it will be understandable by SAP and saves it properly.
Yes.
Okay.
If you know LSMW, there is a concept of in MM. Okay, we should not change the fields normally. Okay. On video is the LSMW if you want to watch watch in YouTube. Okay. Why you should not change the layout and all you can see. Okay, now you see right how you differentiated the activity area with respect to the bins.
Yes, Ram. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. You understand the activity area? What is the use of activity area? If someone asks you, you should be able to tell, right?
Ram.
Yes, it is very important. Okay. They'll ask you in the interview, what is activity area? What is the benefit of activity area? Tell me some examples of activity area, how it will be beneficial in the real time. You can tell the same example what I told you, replenishment and put away. Okay. And we have some basic things to learn here regarding the staging areas here. We discussed about the storage bins and we discussed about the activity areas part. Now we have something called staging area. In staging area, define staging area group. Define staging area. Someone is actioning on this part. What is staging area first of all? What is staging area? Let me
Temporary area.
Let me check some entries first of all. Normally in the real time, you will not create as many as, but just for the concept purpose, I will teach you this part. Okay. I'm creating two new entries for staging area here in this case, for the GR and for the GI, for the goods issue and for the goods receipt. For the goods receipt part and for the goods issue part. New entries, BMWD warehouse. Let me create, like, I already have entries because I already copied it. GR01. These are my sections in the storage type. Okay. In GR01 storage type, the storage type GR01 in BMWD warehouse, I have storage type GR01, which is indicating for the GR staging area. In GR staging area, I have two sections, section 1 and section 2. Section 1 dedicatedly for the goods receipt, and BMWD GR01 section 2 dedicated for the goods receipt only. BMWD register. I think it is also copied. Okay, let me delete these entries first of all. I'll delete the entries. What will happen when you copy from the existing warehouse? It will copy some of the entries. Okay. Now what I am doing here, and define the staging areas here. You know staging area, you know the GR area, but system don't know what is GR area, right? Warehouse is BMWD, GR01 storage type, section is 0001. You know how to create storage type and you know how to create storage section. We already discussed this part. Now this belongs to GR. This belongs to dedicatedly GR. If you don't give GR and GI, you can use it for both. You can select both actually. If you're in case if you're using the same area for goods issue and goods receipt, then you can select both. If you have some differentiation with respect to this one, then you can differentiate. I have two sections dedicated for GR, section 1 and section 2 here itself, dedicated for GR, and I have BMWD GI01. Storage type GI01 is for the goods issue staging area. I have two sections here, so let me check. Yes, this belongs to goods issue. BMWD GI01 0002, dedicated for the goods issue. So these two sections in these two storage types, staging area, this section belongs to GR. This section belongs to the goods issue. Means we will receive the goods here, we'll send the goods to the customer from here. Dedicated for the goods issue and dedicated for the goods issue. Now once we define the respective staging areas, we have like define staging area and door determination group. Define staging area and the door determination group. My warehouse is BMWD, even it will be copied. So I have like this part. I'll delete. Okay. Just I'll create two entries. Okay, in BMWD door determination group. Door determination GR. BMWD DGR2. Just we are creating the determination group. That's it. Okay. We are not adding anything. Next, we have something called warehouse door. Okay, in continuation with respect to this configuration, once you define staging area and once you define the door determination groups, we have something called warehouse door configuration. Okay, warehouse door configuration. Now we have define warehouse door. So this is all this logical configurations. Define warehouse door. I'm deleting the existing entries. Go to new entries. My warehouse is BMWD. I'm defining doors now. I'm defining some doors now. Door 1, door 2, door 3, door 4 like that. Door 1, DOR1. This is dedicated for inbound. This door 1 dedicated for the inbound. Default staging area. It should come to GR01 section 1. GR01 section 1. This door is for. Go back. And again, door 2. I'm defining two doors here. This is door 1 and this is door 2 like that. Okay. This dedicated leaf comes to section 2. In this storage type, it should come to section 2. This belongs to section 2, right? Section 2. Same way, we have to do for GI also, goods issue also. Copy this one. Door 3 I am creating. Door 3 is for the outbound mainly. This is for the GI01 storage type and section is 01. And door 4 is dedicated for the outbound again. And this is for GI01 and section is 0002. Okay, I define doors, that's it. I define doors in the respect to staging area. Now define staging area door determination group to door. Whatever you define here, we should assign to the respect to doors now. Delete these all entries. New entries. Warehouse is BMWD. My warehouse is DOR1. DOR1 belongs to which determination group? I added two. One is for the inbound and one is for the outbound. So door 1 DGR determination group DGR1 is for the inbound and DGR2 is for the outbound. So DGR1 BMWD door 1 and door 2 belongs to DGR1 determination group and BMWD door 3 and door 4 belongs to DGR2. Door 4 belongs to DGR2. Clear?
Some small dot here.
Yes.
So determination group is just grouping the doors, right?
Yes. We are just keeping the for the inbound, we have one determination, and for outbound, we have one determination. That's it. So if you have 10 doors for the inbound, just we need to link the 10 doors to determination group for the GR.
Okay.
For the last one, we have staging area to the warehouse door. Assign staging area to the warehouse. All the combination we need to assign now. Go to new entries. My warehouse is BNWD. My warehouse door is door 1. My staging area group is DGR Sorry, GI0. So door 1, door 2 belongs to GR, okay. GR01. Section is 3001, GR. The combination I'm assigning, okay. BMWD door 2 belongs to same GR01
01
0002. BMWD door 3 belongs to GI01. Staging area is
001.
001 only. Yeah. BMWD door 4 should be GI01. You need to select from F4, okay. You cannot give the values like 001, okay, because system won't know whether you have given GI or GR here, because same entries you maintain for GR also, but this selection will be different. So you need to select from the entries. So it will take the right entries normally if you give like this. So once you define like this, system will identify automatically which door, which staging area group, all these things will be identified. It will be a bit confusing, but when you practice it, just make a note of each and every step why we are defining this thing. It will be clear for you at the time of configuration. This part. So this configuration is same in S4 and ECC. Okay, there is no difference in the configurations. What are the configurations we discussed now? Activity areas, sorting, okay, staging areas, and doors configuration. Everything is same in ECC and S4. There is no difference in this part. Am I clear?
Yes, no.
It's already 2 hours. So what I will do by tomorrow 1 hour. Tomorrow 1 hour I will complete this EWM decentralized this part, okay? Because as we discussed in the earlier, we will discuss decentralized up to connections and one test. That's it. Decentralized EWM decentralized. Now we are done up to here. Next tomorrow 1 hour class we will do system connections check and we'll create one inbound and we'll distribute from the ECC to EWM. How distribution should happen from ECC to EWM, and we will see tomorrow. And later 1 hour we will try to configure EWM. Okay, we'll try to do the configurations in the EWM embedded system. And going further, we'll continue embedded system only, all the data. So whatever we have done now, creation of plant, creation of storage locations, creation of warehouse, creation of storage types, sections, bins, activity areas, everything we will define tomorrow in the embedded system. And we'll continue testing in the embedded system only, remaining all concepts, because remaining all concepts are same in ECC embedded, sorry, ECC, the respect to decentralized systems and the S4 systems. It is same. Clear?
Yes, Ram.
Yes, Ram, clear.
It's already 2 hours, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I didn't notice the time at all.
Yeah, it's 2 hours.
Yeah. Okay, tomorrow agenda is clear. And going further, we'll go bit fastly. Now we are a bit slow because as we are new to SAP, I'm teaching very slowly. So going further, we'll go bit fastly, okay? So that we'll complete the syllabus within the time.